Was that a wire down? Tree on top of it? That's what it looks like. I mean, it was a good thought. That little. Yeah. Strong winds blew a tree across a power line. Now she's smoking. It's gonna go down there and block the road, probably. Yeah, quite the windy day out here today. Heard the fire truck come by, the brush truck, a whole bunch of police cars. Figure, well, jump in the road and see what's going on. As you heard, there's a tree down or a branch down across the wire, which is on fire. They're not going to come out here and do anything until the electricity gets shut off. It looks like, yeah, there's wires hanging over there. Wires hanging there. Clear across the road. It's a good thing nobody hit it. That was either the brush truck that went around. It's about a 4-mile loop to get to the other side of this road. Or it was Brighting Township Fire Department responding. I did hear them get toned. Technically, I'm standing at the county line, or at the city line. Anyway, that's a lot of smoke back there. I'm wondering how much of that line is down back there, because that's quite a bit of smoke. This is Trader's Mine Road. I guess there's not a whole lot more to see. We're not going to be able to go up any further or see anything closer, so I may as well head on home. These guys seem to have it all under control.